They tell you the war in the Middle East is just a fight over oil. They tell you the only targets that matter are the pipelines, the tankers, and the Strait of Hormuz. They want you to believe that if Washington can just protect the crude, the empire survives. It is a 20th century delusion. The kings of the Gulf in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Riyadh already know the oil era is ending. For the last 10 years, they have spent trillions of dollars building a brand new empire in the desert. They aren't trying to be the gas station of the world anymore. They are trying to be the brain. And right now, Tehran has a gun pointed directly at that brain. Look at the new architecture of the Arab Gulf. The UAE and Saudi Arabia have transformed themselves into global hubs for artificial intelligence. They built massive, hyperscale data centers. They signed historic, multi-billion-dollar packed silicon agreements with American tech giants. They have the cheap energy, the capital, and the geographic location to run the global AI matrix. Washington loved this. They saw the Gulf as a loyal, high-tech fortress. But there is a fatal geographic flaw in the code. You can move an oil rig. You cannot move a hyperscaled data center. When the US and Israel launched strikes against Tehran in early 2026, they expected Iran to just shoot back at military bases or cargo ships. Instead, Iran did something completely unprecedented and absolutely savage. They bypassed the military entirely and they targeted the digital nervous system of the Gulf. Iran didn't drop bombs on the data centers. They launched massive, targeted cyberkinetic attacks against the hyper-specific power grids and cooling infrastructure that keep those AI servers from melting down in the desert heat. It is a cheap, invisible, and devastating weapon. If the cooling systems fail for even a few hours, billions of dollars of cutting-edge AI processors literally cook themselves alive. This is the new strategic autonomy. This is the ultimate hostage situation. Tehran looked at the Arab kings and delivered a ruthless calculation. You spent your entire fortune building a bridge away from oil. You built a pristine silicon oasis. If you let American bombers use your airspace, or if you join the US crusade, we will fry the servers. We won't just bomb your present, we will permanently erase your future. And it worked. The Gulf states are paralyzed. They are quietly begging Washington to de-escalate because they realize an American security umbrella cannot protect a microchip from a cyber meltdown. The superpower has the missiles, but the enemy holds the off switch to the future economy. Stop watching the oil wells. Watch the cooling towers. Welcome to the unseen markets.